Hi everyone, so this is going to be our Tuesday daily agenda for the 9th of February. We are continuing on with The Outsiders. We are going to be doing a little bit of background and 1960 slang today, and your homework is just to read for 30 minutes. So getting a little bit into what we're going to be talking about, we're going to be talking about life in the 1960s in Oklahoma. So this is where our novel takes place. We're going to be looking at some of the fashion. We're going to be talking about it, if you guys are familiar with it, female and male fashion, because this is what we're going to be seeing in the book, and I want you guys to be familiar with it. Then we're going to talk a little bit about pop culture in the 60s. I found this quote. Somebody said, "Turn that bloody record player down." We're going to talk about the music of the time, some of the movies, some of the TV shows, so you guys can start seeing, like, well, what was life like at this time? We're also going to be looking at some general world events like the Civil Rights Movement, the Vietnam War, and the space race. So these are some big things that were going on. These are not the only things that were going on within this decade, but they were just some of those key moments. Additionally, we're going to be meeting S.E. Hinton, or Susan Eloise Hinton. We're going to be talking a little bit about her biography and just kind of the things she did as a writer. And then we are going to lastly play a quick game of Kahoot, not of the Kahoot. Sorry, guys. I'm going to play some Kahoot. You guys are going to be able to just kind of break down what some of the language looks like from the 1960s and just see if you guys can kind of understand what it means. And then for our exit ticket, it's going to be on the Kahoot, but on a scale of 1 to 4, how interested are you in starting The Outsiders? So that's our exit ticket for the day. As always, if you have any questions or just want some more info, send me an email, send Miss Arroyo an email, or send Miss Reyes an email. We'll help you out with that. I'll see you guys in class.